Hi everyone, doing this video to show you a project I'm working on. It's a MIDI keyboard based on the Raspberry Pi Pico, just here. So the working title is Pico-Keys. The keys are Kyle Chuck mechanical switches, okay? And so we can start to see what it looks like. So I'm using a MIDI TRS connection going through a USB converter. So first, of course, it's just a keyboard. There is the function key here. The basic stuff you can do is change octaves. So you can go down. You can also change the MIDI channel with those keys here. So it's gonna play the same, but we see different colors on the visualizer for each channel. But this is not only a MIDI keyboard, it's also a sequencer, polyphonic sequencer, and an arpeggiator. In fact, there are 3 note generators on the system that you access with the function key and those 3 keys over here. You have 1, 2, and 3 generators. Each of them can be either just a keyboard, or with this button we can change it. Turns into red, it's now a polyphonic sequencer. I press function and the generator again to play. And the last mode is arpeggiator. And each of the 3 keys here have those 3 features. So let's have a deeper look. So we have the arpeggiator mode here. With the funk key, if I press the note generator again, it's going to start the arpeggiator. Here we can see the notes that are in the arpeggiator. I can select a different set. We can change the arpeggiator mode. We will also change the time division. Now let's have a look at the sequencer. The sequencer is with the red color here. So we can enter notes in a sequence. So when I start to press a note, I'm starting a new step in the sequence. I can add as many notes as I want in this step. And if I release, this step is recording and it's going to the next one. So for instance, I can press another chord, get another chord, and let's change the octave and put a fourth one. If I press funk and the generator, it's going to play my sequence. I can stop. With this button here, I can clear the sequence and start a new one. It's also possible to insert rest, so I can play one chord, rest, another chord, rest, another chord, rest, and so on. You can also tie steps of the sequence together. So clear first chord, and I can do tie 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Another chord. 1, 2, 3. Another chord. 1, 2, 3. And another chord. 1, 2, 3. And so this time the chords are gonna play for 4 steps. Okay, so now let's try to write a little piece with the Pico-Keys. So first we're gonna make a baseline on the first generator. So it's already selected. I'm going to sequencer mode and clear whatever's already in this. And I'm gonna enter my baseline. Okay, so now on the second generator, we can add our chords. So let's go. We select the second generator. It's already in sequencer mode. I can clear whatever is on there. And we can start doing our chord sequence. Okay, let's hear it. Now we can mix our chords with the bassline. And we can use the third generator here to add some arpeggiator to it. Sorry. And that's how you can record a little piece of music with three different parts on the Pico-Keys. Remember that each generator can actually be on a separate MIDI channel, so you can program three different instruments with it. And that's what I will try to show you in the next video. Thank you for watching.